Hey Roblox fans! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to chat with your friends on Roblox the right way. Whether you're new or just confused by the settings, this tutorial has got you covered. First, open up Roblox site. Once you're inside, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. That's where the chat box is. Click it to open. Now, if you don't see the chat working or messages aren't sending, you'll need to adjust your privacy settings. Click the gear icon in the top right, then select Settings. Next, head to Privacy and look for the section labeled Content, Maturity, and Communication. Scroll down until you see the Communication setting. Click it, and under that, find Party and Group Party options. Make sure both are turned on. This will allow you to chat with friends and people in your party. And that's it. Now your Roblox chat should be working perfectly, and you'll be able to talk with your friends while playing. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment if you've got any questions. See you in the game.